Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow exceptions or exemptions from Do Not Disturb on your smartphone. So on your Android device, if you want to allow certain apps to get through the Do Not Disturb feature. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All you have to do is scroll up on your home screen and select the settings button. You want to go down and select notifications. And then you want to scroll down again underneath General, select Do Not Disturb, and then you can scroll down again. So where it says Who can interrupt Do Not Disturb, you can select People. If you want to allow certain contacts through, for example, for messages, you can select that option. If you want to allow starred contacts to send you messages while in Do Not Disturb mode, you can have that enabled there. So a pretty straightforward process on that. So that's for basically the contact list. You can also go underneath apps here too. So if you select apps, you can add apps to your do not disturb list exception list by just going down the list and adding it to it. Please keep in mind you're kind of defeating the point of do not disturb by allowing a lot of apps to be excluded, but that's up to you to decide, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.